Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Misty with Happy Planning with Misty, and I've got some stickers here. I have never had a subscription from Coco and Fluff, Dawn at Coco and Fluff, and I get the privilege and honor of unpacking this. I did not spend money on this. Dawn graciously sent it to me for me to review, and so I am going to show you what she sent me and let you see the beauty of her artwork, and then I want you to go in and make sure you purchase from her. The quality is exceptional, and sometimes if you cannot get a subscription with her, she will send smaller portions to her shop. So you might not get the whole kit, but you would get some of the kit, which is better than not getting any of the kit. So this is what I want to show you. Look at this. This is a vellum. This is 2 pieces of vellum. Let me see, what is this called? Persian paws. So this might be a nod to Paris. Yes. Duh. There's the Eiffel Tower. So yes, look at that. And that vellum, you could fold it in half, and you've got a front cover and a back cover. You can cut it and put it in your pages. Yeah, the options are endless. So there's the first piece. And then here's the second piece. Look at that, y'all. Is that not beautiful? Oh my goodness. The colors are so vibrant. This is just beautiful. I love it. And if you buy from her, I don't get a commission or anything, but tell her that you seen it from my shop, my YouTube page, and so she'll know that her stuff is being seen, that I done what I said I would do, which is show her artwork. So look at this, y'all. Is that not beautiful? So if you've got a TN notebook, traveler's notebook, now you don't have to have that size, but this looks like it would fit perfectly on one of those pages. We will have to see, because I've definitely got a TN. And so then here is the June, Hello June, Chapter 6. So this must be the kit that she used for June. And so here's your numbers and your days. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. And then this month, this week, some goals, appointments to do, important, and then the Father's Day, which was in June. Beautiful. Then there's this page. Now this is all one, it looks like all one sheet, but I think these are little strips. Yes, these are little washi strips. So you can line the pages with. So there's that page. Here's some layering. It's just beautiful, y'all. Look at those colors. So these splotches, so you could put like down one of those, and then if you wanted to put her on the front, you've got those flowers. You can put it to the side of that splotch, and there's your flowers, and there's your layering. Oh, pages are so cute. And this is all on washi paper, so it's not going to bulk up your planner. Here's the next page. So you've got some torn edges that you can do. Here's this page. Just loving this. We are definitely going to have to play around with this in my traveler's notebook for sure. Oh, look at that. Each of these are a box, I think. Is it? Or is it one big sheet of paper? It might be one big sheet, y'all. You can cut it into boxes or you can use it as is, maybe. Let's see here. If I can get it to, yes, one big sheet. So yeah, you can cut it and make your own little seams with it, or you can use it as a whole sheet. Awesome. Here's another full sheet. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yes, that would look beautiful in a TN. And then here's this. These are strips of washi you can decorate the pages with. Do you know how many, if you use just a traveler's notebook, how many setups you could get in this one subscription? Now these are on white matte. These are sayings that you can use. And that looks like a stamp, cut out like a stamp. Here's some florals. Everybody likes their florals. Very pretty. Here's some more layering pieces. These are actually look like they're already layered because she's got the torn strip of paper back there. She's got the Polaroid and she's got the girl and some flowers. So looks like she's already done some layering for you. All you got to do is peel and stick. That is awesome. And here's some smaller stickers that you can use, especially in a Hobonichi Weeks or a Hobonichi Cousin Traveler's Notebook. Some functionals down here. Here's some big corner pieces. We're still on washi paper. Yeah, still on washi paper, y'all. Look at these ladies. So here it is of her just by herself, but here it is if it was to be with some layering done to it. But yeah, you get her and you get some florals around her on the page, and then you get some of these splotches wherever they went. Put one of these splotches in behind her. Oh y'all, it's endless what you could do with this. So pretty. And here's some more pieces. These are like torn pieces of paper, but some of them have an actual picture and some of them are just for layering. They have like writing on them. Oh, and these, I don't think this is a whole sheet. No, they feel like I can, yeah, they're cut. So these are individual pictures that are cut. And then here is where she has layered for you already. She's got this, like I was showing you, these pages back here, these paint splotches. She's already took some of those. And then like this newspaper type, and then she took a picture, and then she took the girl, and she's already layered it up for you. But this is the same thing that you can do with these individual pieces that she has given you. So you layer just like that. You find one that's similar, and then you find your square box or picture that you like and put it over it, and then you stand your girl up beside it after you do that, and you've done exactly what that picture has done. This here though, all you got to do is peel and stick on this. She has done the hard part for you, which is grouping it. And then this is the last sheet. We've got June this month, appointments, birthdays, goals, we've got numbers. So this is for the monthly part. So you've got a monthly in here with your dailies. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 pages, y'all. That is awesome. That kit is awesome. And this again was Parisian Paws. And then she sent me some freebies in here. Let me see if she has a discount in here that you can use. If not, I will definitely get y'all a discount and have it linked below, so you can get a little bit off. So this is somewhere between here and there. I found myself. So these are 2 pictures. So that was a freebie. This is on vinyl. So this is a vinyl sticker. This is the months. And then these are the suede soft cards that you can use for decorating in your TN. And one has a follow me. So this is her. See if I can get it to focus in. So there we go. This is her shop info. And then this one here, it has the month of June on it. So since the month is gone, but these colors are still in, I can definitely use these in my TN and set it up. So we might just have to have another plan with me, y'all, before too long in my TN. So remember, you get the 2 sheets of vellum, and then you get 19 sheets of stickers, and that includes a monthly, and then you get some freebies that she sends too. That is awesome. Like I said, I will have Coco and Fluff Dawn's shop linked to this video. I will also have one of the girls that PR for her linked, so you can get you some percentage off. A little bit's better than nothing. And so y'all go look her up and tell her I sent you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.